For the standing dumbbell curl to press, stand upright. Keep your chest up tall, your head up tall, and your core engaged as you curl your dumbbells up into your shoulders and then press them sky high, rotating forward and then coming back down through the movement. As you come down, we're gonna breathe in on the way up, then out on the way down. In on the way up, out on the way down. Keep the core strong, head and chest up tall, don't arch your back. This exercise is the standing dumbbell curl to press. It's an excellent exercise to get your upper body working together, your biceps, your shoulders, and keeping good postural control. I've got dumbbells, let's dive into it. The standing dumbbell curl to press is a fantastic exercise to integrate the entire upper body. Notice how when Katie does the curl, she's not using her hips, she's using her biceps. When she does the press, she's not using her legs to jump things up, she's using her shoulders. As she's doing the exercise, she keeps her head and chest nice and tall, and she does not arch her back through the exercise to get her dumbbells over her head. Now there's a lot of rotating going on here in the wrists, which is great for the muscles, but I have Katie do a variation here where she keeps a hammer position in a neutral grip through both the curl and the press. This will help you get more acquainted with the movement before adding the rotations that make it such a powerful exercise. Great job, Katie.